Beard Mill. Some Bearded Mack. Just recorded a podcast this morning and do this unboxing and try to get some schoolwork done. Also, keep the new setup. I'm gonna do a full setup tour. Yeah, hold up. Yup. What's up, Tiki? Yeah, new setup. This took me, I think, 4 hours to set up. Yup. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing another studio tour on Instagram soon. Any more drips? got some beard mail from the Bearded Mack. Ordered this during Bearded Motivation Dave's stream last Saturday. Used Sezzle, so save some money. Got here pretty fast too. Had to pay a brutal amount of shipping, you know. Cheesehead's see some mythical, huh? Yep, it's up there. Yeah, we'll get Cheesehead in here. Why not? Yeah, Bearded Mack. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
Pretty good.
You got your Beard Mack stuff?
Yes, I did. Yep, yes, I did.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
just in today. Yep.
Nice. That's fast.
Yeah, I ordered on Saturday, and yeah, because I got DHL shipping, which was, I think it was $30 for the shipping, and then plus like 30 in like shipping and extra duties. Yeah, so
Sezzle helps.
yeah, Sezzle really does help, and that's what like I've said that to people before. Like companies that have Sezzle, like I'm gonna jump on that first.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll get on it. I'll get this open, and then
See what you
I'll
got.
post this on YouTube as well. So been looking forward to this. Ah, nice. Letter with the handwritten note. That's one of my favorite things about buying from like small companies. Like as you can see behind me, I've got a whole bunch of notes from different companies. Educated Beards, Weird Beard, Leather Beard there, Fable, Clever Beard, Copper Johns up there. What's up, Chops? Yeah.
Flip chops.
That's now the Ryan donates oil balm, the Bearded Mack, oil butter, and log cabin. That handwritten notes, that's just awesome. Like, I love
Those
it.
little things make you want to come back.
Yeah, absolutely. Because it just gives that like human touch, and like knows you're buying from a person and not just like a big faceless company that doesn't really care about like kind of like your business. They just kind of do their own thing, and it's like, if you buy from us, you buy from us. But, like with like a lot of small batch companies, they're like excited when you order.
What's up, Tiki?
This is well bubble wrapped. Like, what's up, Dylan? Like that is
What's up, Dylan?
in there. Hold on. There we go. All right, almost got it.
Rockets!
What's up? Roaring 20s Mac in the oil.
I heard that one's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people talking about this one. Man, these bottles look awesome. Black bottles with the red and gold labels. Like,
That's clean. Yeah, Aaron, that'd be nice.
is that a possibility?
It could be.
Wow.
It's either there or Pittsburgh.
Ooh.
He wants to be with his brothers.
I mean, fair enough. That's a good scent. I like that. Very smooth.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it's cherry tobacco, like a bunch of different things. Yeah,
I don't have a barbershop scent yet.
Fair.
Brand.
Yeah, I got one from Beard Octane. I don't think you can see it up here, but it's oh yeah, right up here. There. Yeah, barbershop, Beard Balm. All right.
I mean, I have one, but it's from the Ruddy Veil,
Okay.
and it has that clipper oil smell to it.
Oh.
It's unique. It's different. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's my only barbershop.
Mm-hmm. Business card. Chris McKenzie. All his info. Ooh. Another sticker for the collection.
Those are sweet. Those are nice stickers.
Yeah, it's a really awesome sticker. I have like a whole drawer of like stickers that I haven't used yet because I'm getting a new laptop soon, so I want to.
I don't know if you see that up there.
Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, I might end up doing something like that. I don't know yet, but we'll see.
He's got one of the coolest logos in the community, I think.
Yeah, facts. I think this is the most bubble wrap I've seen on any beard oils. Like, out of all the products I've ordered or been like sent, like it is like you are not breaking this in shipping.
Kiki, I haven't tried Bay Area yet.
Interesting. Yeah, no, haven't tried them either.
They got a unique packaging too, I see.
Yeah, absolutely. And then this is Bearded Mack. Dave was like speaking very highly of this one during the stream. So
well, him and everybody in the chat was just raving about it. So.
Oh,
warm it up.
All right. Couple drops. Oh. What's up, Scott? Oh. It's kind of like, it's like a soapy kind of, yeah, it's like soapy, but like mixed with cologne. Oh, what's up, George?
It's like a fresh scent.
Yeah, definitely.
What's up, George?
Yeah, I like that a lot. That's, yeah. What's up, Beanie? What's up, Nez? All right.
What's up,
last Yeah, we got the Cheesehead on stream today. And then Ryan, you're on the Bearded Regard tonight, right?
Yeah, tonight.
Cool.
Tonight.
Yeah. 10.
I finally got a little setup, so.
Nice.
Spent about $9.
Oh wow. What'd you get?
So I got one of those ring lights from Walmart, and then I bought
nice,
one of the J-Lab. I don't know if you ever heard of J-Lab.
Oh yeah, yep.
They just recently came out with mics, and I picked up one of their mics.
Awesome.
So I'm just going to use my iPhone because I have the iPhone 12 Pro. So.
Oh yeah, no, that's all you need.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's going to be my next phone because it's just like Seth uses it for all his videos, and it's just it looks amazing. What's up, LI Beard Oil?
And then it's funny because when I got to give credit to Benjamin because when I bought this mic, I researched on YouTube ways to hook it up, and his video was the first one to pop up, and I was like, I know that guy. So I reached out to him, and he helped me out a lot to hook it up. And
that's awesome. And then we got the Log Cabin Mac.
Nice.
Yeah, this is like a woodsy. What's up, Walt?
What's up, Walt?
Yeah, we got. Oh. That's off.
To me, that would be like a winter scent.
Yeah.
So I didn't purchase anything with the gift card that I won.
Okay.
I'm going to be giving it away tonight.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
It'd be nice. So
yeah,
as well as that, and I have another surprise that I'll be giving away tonight. So.
Ooh, that's awesome. So for everybody watching, don't miss the Bearded Regard. What about this one? What's up,
Jesus?
Jesus? I'm talking
¿Cómo estás,
to
amigo?
Jesus on my podcast tomorrow night.
Nice. Check it out.
Oh, that's a good sound. It's like very woodsy.
Nice.
Yep. Yeah, I just talked to Neil this morning for a podcast episode. It's gonna be
Which one's your favorite?
scent so far. Hmm. I don't know yet. I gotta try them in beard. What's up, Ian? Yeah, they all smell nice for sure. Very different scents
Nice.
and friggin' incredible bottles. And then we got. Oh wait, I have a table here. I can put stuff on. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, I spent 4 hours yesterday setting up this whole, like, completely reconfiguring my whole studio.
Nice.
What's up, Chad?
What's up, Chad?
All right, and then we got the Roaring Twenties Beard Balm.
You know, I've never tried a beard balm.
Not a single one?
Mm-mm. It's all been oil and butter. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. That's what it looks like.
Nice.
What's up, Corey?
What's up, Corey?
Man, we got Log Cabin Mac in the poured butter, I believe this is. Yep, that's the poured butter.
Wow. Did you get poured and whip, or you just got poured?
Yep. Yeah, so
Nice.
I got a Balm and Roaring Twenties. Yeah, it's a wolf. Balm and Roaring Twenties, whipped in Devoted Mac, and then poured in the Log Cabin Mac.
Nice.
Really, really cool looking containers. All right, and then last but certainly not least, we got Devoted Mac. What's up, Puzzly? Beard Balm just comes into play at those awkward moments. Yeah, 100%. I mostly go butter, but there's times when I'll go Balm, like if I'm testing for a review or if I just feel like if I'm going somewhere and I want to like flatten the beard down and like make it. Ooh, that's a nice looking butter.
Looks nice.
One of the butters made that beard dance. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm looking forward to testing this out. Yeah, really cool containers on all of them. Now we'll be testing these out for review. 2 butters and a Balm. And we got 3 oils. Devoted Mac, Log Cabin Mac, and Roaring Twenties Mac. Yeah, the butter's really nice. We're gonna get a wallet brush for my lip.
I would check Chicago Combs, #1.
Yeah, I'd say like the number 2. I think it's the number 2, the really small like mustache type comb.
Yeah, 2 or 1.
Number 1. I have that on my desk, and it's up to 10 people. Look at that. That's fun. I got everything. Cool. Yeah. And then also the box comes with these black shredded paper.
Oh, I despise those things.
Yeah, fair. I mean, cleaning them up is annoying, but I use them for product photos, and it looks really cool. All the beards. Welcome. Yeah. Bunch of good stuff. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I'm also gonna post this on YouTube, so if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And for everybody watching live, also check out Ryan on the Bearded Regard tonight. I'll be there. Gonna be a fun time. Thanks also for hopping in here.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
Cool. See ya.
Awesome. See ya.